Hi, I'm Jin Kim. I'm the Chief of the Arthroplasty Service and the Director of the Joint Replacement Center at Montefiore. Been at Montefiore for about 17 years now. My parents are doctors, and so are my grandparents, so I think it was just a normal progression of, did I like anything other than medicine? And I ended up enjoying medicine and ended up at Montefiore. So the knee joint is a wonderful joint, and it provides so much function. When it stops working, there's such disability with that. Being able to fix that joint is one of the most wonderful things that I can do. I love working with people and seeing almost immediate results and making patients' lives better. And I've trained at several places throughout the country, and I think that the care that we give in the Bronx is one of the best.